How to pair the YD03 wireless earbuds. These are very popular earbuds. I'm going to show you guys how to pair them up with a Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 phone or any other Note 13 Pro models, phone models, and get these into pairing mode if you haven't got them into pairing mode yet. Okay, so before doing anything with your phone, what I want you to do is first take them out the case together at the same time. This usually ensures pairing mode. So they'll light up in green like this here, and you'll take them out and one side will stay blinking, which is the left side. Now, if you've done that and that didn't happen, they're not in pairing mode, go ahead and long press the both of them until they turn off. You will hear a voice prompt saying that they're off. So go ahead and do that. Wait for it to turn off. All right. And you'll know they're off when the lights are no longer blinking. So now with them off like this, to get them into pairing mode, you'll long press them both together at the same time. And when you see them light up in green the first time, let it go, okay? So go ahead and do that. So here we go. And then let it go. And once they do that, they basically will sync. They'll flash twice. You notice they flash twice, and then the left side will enter into the pairing mode. Once you get it to do that, that means they're sync. And then the left side is the host earbud, okay? So that's pairing mode state now. And then on your Xiaomi phone here, again, it could be a Poco phone if you have HyperOS with Android 14. You can use a quick panel access, look for the Bluetooth toggle, that right there, and long press it. Don't single tap it, long press it, and go to where it says more settings. Okay, so that's gonna give you a better view of what's really going on. So from here, you'll turn on the Bluetooth settings and wait for YD03 or YD03 to show up. Okay, that's the name of these earbuds, all right? And when you tap on it, it's gonna say pairing. You'll get the request here. You'll have to accept it by pressing pair. And you'll see that it's going to show you this right here, YD03 connected, battery. And to know if they're really connected, the left side, once it's not blinking in green, that means you are good to go, okay? And you can go into the settings here to enable it for calls and media audio. And that's that. Like and sub.